Today we're going to discuss timer of washing machine wiring orientation. Eyes in the wirings. From the old one we have pink, brown, green, orange, yellow, violet, and cyan. The replacement is brown, green, pink, yellow, red, brown, green. Don't be confused. I will teach you how to treshot. This is the original wiring cut from the defective timer switch. Also this one. This is still good, so we don't need to replace this one. The original wiring is green, cyan, and the violet. This is going to connect here. This is the second wire from the right. Goes directly here. This is the violet one from here. Okay, this is three. One for normal and one for heavy load. We're done for the selector switch. Washing time wiring. We have four wire here. Orange, yellow, brown, and pink. And now change with brown. This is connected directly to the buzzer here, L1 of the buzzer, and this remaining blue buzzer is going directly to the common line from the source. For the wash timer, our supply is the brown one. Now the brown one is changed to green color. See, this is our reference, the original one and the replacement one. So the green will be connected to the brown wire, and the two remaining wires will goes directly shunt connected with the capacitor. Let's try to check using our multi-tester. This is the plug of the washing machine. Input plug hook up with the positive negative test probe of this tester. We are going to check the resistance of this timer and the pulse. This meter should deflect when you switch on the timer. See, the timer is still in off position here. So switch on the timer and it's rotate with sound. You should read the deflection and pulse of the meter. See, notice that our meter deflect, meaning our connections is correct and our timer responding with pulse. See the reaction of the meter deflection. That is the sign of a good timer. We're going to check the motor. There's our connection. The yellow, orange goes directly to the capacitor, and this brown is the line 1 source. The pink one is for buzzer, push when the timing is done. Using this instrument is advantage than the digital because you can determine the pulse. This is the pulse of the timer. Since it is mechanical, you can detect the pulse. Using digital, you cannot see this reaction. Now we justify our wiring, and the timer is working. See the rotation of the motor. Likewise, and the other cycle, the left counterclockwise movement. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe. This is Robson saying bye. Take care. Another happy customer on the way. I'm going to mount the timer and arrange the wiring. Now let's check the spin. It's working.